Karna Institute of Technology, URK20CS3007. In this video, we are going to see about the implementation of Dijkstra shortest path of algorithm. In this logic is to Dijkstra algorithm basically starts at the node that you choose the source node, and it analyzes the graph and find the shortest path between that unseen node and all the other nodes in the graph. The algorithm keep tracks of the currently known shortest distance from the each node to be the source node, and it will be update these value in finds a shortest path. Once the algorithm has found a shortest path between a source node and then another node, that node is marked as visited and added to this path. The process continues until all the nodes in the graph have been added to the path. This way, we have to path that connects the source node to all the nodes, following the shortest path possible to reach the each node. First, we want to create a function, def Dijkstra function. I want to assign a value of graph source and destination. For shortest distance will be given to the square brackets curly braces, and the predecessor also given as a curly braces, and the unseen nodes are there are they in the graph, and the infinity will be mentioned as a uh, 999, and the path will be into the list. uh, for the unseen node, we want to give a for loop to find the shortest distance path of the node equal to infinity, and the shortest path of the distance from source is to 0 to the nodes. Then only it will be add and store it into the shortest distant node. While unseen node will be the minimum node equal to none. For node in the unseen node, uh, if minimum node is nothing or none, the minimum node will be entered into the new node. If the shortest distance will be the lesser than or equal to shortest distance of the minimum of the node. In the minimum node, you will be the node. For child node, weight in the graph of minimum node for item will be the inside the functions. If weight is added by the shortest distance by combining these two nodes, which is smaller to this, comparing both minimum node and the child node. After that, the shortest distance of the child node will be assigning a weight increment by the shortest distance of minimum node. So the predecessor will be the child node equal to the minimum node. It will be stored in that value. After that, if there will be then greatest node in that graph, so the unseen node will be pop up from the minimum node. Minimum node will be displayed, and the maximum node will be deleted. After that, the current node will be the destination of this current graph. And while current node is not equal to the source, we want to apply an exception handling method to try and path dot create and path, and to catch that the expect onto path is not reachable. So we want to give a assign to try to path that insert the 0 and the correct node, and the current node will be the predecessor of the uh, current node, and the exception to be print the path is not reachable, and the path will be insert of 0 to source. If the shortest distance will be the destination is not equal to infinity, then it will be printed the shortest distance from which node to which node and the path taken. After that, you want to give an graph dot evaluate function to input enter the graph. After that, you want to give a source input source of the vertex to start from the value, and the destination you want to give. After that, it will be displaying and shortest path distance from and the path taken. Let's run the program and see the output. The program is running. We want to giving assigning a value in the dictionary of a to b, that that distance will be 5. After that, the c will be the 4, and b to c will be 3, uh, D to B to D will be 5. After that, C of C to B will be 6, and the C to D will be 2. Like that, we will assign this node. After that, we want to enter the source vertex started from which. So we want to get A. After that, the destination of vertex also A. So it will be calculate all. It will be jump into all the nodes. The shortest distance from 0 will be 0, and the path taken only A. Let's run this program once again. The source of the vertex will be A, and to E, the shortest distance from 5, and the path taken has an ACE. This path will be the source will be starter and the ending with the process E. So it will passes through the C and then E. And the result will be the implementation of the Dijkstra shortest path of algorithm using dynamic program technique was carried out successfully and the output is verified. Okay, thank you.